We are now ready to proceed processing this order. We simply click on the Next button to bring us to step 2 of the 4-step process. In this step, we're going to provide some basic information so we can identify this project within Live Order. In our example, I'm going to call this the Smith remodel, and I'm going to give it a PO number SM100. The next thing we need to do is identify which one of our store locations is placing the order. If we have more than one location, we can simply select from our drop-down list to identify which of our locations is going to place the order, and similarly we're going to identify who's the order contact. The next thing we need to do is identify our customer. Simply click on the Sold To tab to bring up the consumer information. Now we'll note here that any information that was entered by the designer in that kit file will carry through into Live Order. However, if you notice any errors in this screen, you can simply adjust the information accordingly and select the option to update the address book. In a similar fashion, if the information was not entered in 2020 design, you can simply enter this information at this time and select Add to Address Book so you can have this information available for use at a later time for other projects. Also, you can change this information by selecting from the drop-down list any existing customers you may have in the system. Also, another feature of 2020 Live Order is the ability to define a job site address. So if you're working with a builder partner on this order, you can specify the job site information here. At this point, we're done in entering the required information in order to submit this project. However, I do want to show you some additional functionality you can take advantage of should you wish to. The Project Files tab is where we can add supporting documentation for this project. For example, you may want to attach the signed contract between you and your customer. We simply browse to its location and hit the Upload button. Similarly, if we have specifications for a custom piece that we wish to get a quote on from our manufacturer, we can attach those product specifications to our project. The Project Files tab is very useful for keeping track of all supporting project documentation. This can come in handy if we need to come back to this order in the future, either for warranty purposes or for replacement parts. We can simply open up any of the supporting documentation and verify what was agreed to and what was discussed with the client. One of the key features of 2020 Live Order is its ability to provide you with real-time order status updates from your manufacturers. These status updates are available in real time from your 2020 dashboard, and in addition, if you wish to receive email notifications, you simply select the contacts within your organization to whom you want these notifications to be sent. This screen contains a listing of existing contacts. However, you do have the ability to add any contacts on the fly simply by clicking on the Add Contacts link. The last tab on this screen is the Sales Opportunities tab. This tab is strictly for reporting purposes and allows you to enter some details with respect to this project, such as the estimated closing date, the order amount, and the probability that this order will close. Again, this is optional information that you can enter should you wish to take advantage of this, and again, it is strictly for reporting purposes. We're now ready to proceed to the next step of the process. Simply click on Next at the top or bottom of our screen.